everyone, welcome to my channel Rima's Happy Life. Hope everyone is doing well. Today is Sunday, so I'm thinking I'll do little pamper to myself. Like it's been long time I have not taken care of my hair. Instead I have been so harsh to my hair. Some year before I did first smoothing, then I highlighted my hair, then I used to do so many experiments on my hair. Sometimes I do in my video also you can see. And sometimes do hair curl on my hair. Sometimes I straighten my hair. So because of using all these heating products, now my hair is getting damaged and the growth rate of hair also now reduced. And but in my college time, like in my hostel days, so we used to do so many things to maintain hair and skin, like all those home remedies we used to do. Like me and my friends, we used to do so many things. But nowadays, only I am doing once in a week. I think I am doing shampoo, and before that, I do oiling on my hair. And sometimes I do hair spa in parlor. Sometimes means once in 3 4 months. Uh, so that is not enough for hair care. Recent days I am seeing so many videos about flaxseed gel and its uses. So I had also some flaxseeds. I ordered 6 7 months before. Not from online I ordered. Not only flaxseed, I ordered 4 more seeds also. Like sunflower seed I ordered, chia seeds, sesame seeds, and some other seed that I forgot. Um, Actually, I read some article in that it was mentioned if you eat this 5 seed, then your hair growth will increase. So I ordered, but that also I didn't continue properly. I ate for some days, then I didn't continue. So I thought I had so many flaxseed. So I also thought today I make flaxseed gel, and I also want to show you guys how to make flaxseed gel and how to use it for hair and skin, and is it really works or not. So today's video is all about flaxseed. So let's get started this video. Okay, now I'm in my kitchen. Before starting this video, I'm going to tell something about flaxseed. Actually, flaxseed contains omega-3 and fatty acid, which maintains overall hair growth, and it also gives glossy look to the hair, and it prevents hair fall and splitting hair. The Hindi meaning of flaxseed is alsi, and in Odia it is called odasi. I have never heard this word odasi before. I only used to say flaxseed, but today only I searched in Google what is the meaning of flaxseed in Hindi and in Odia. Then only I got to know about this word odasi. So let's get started this video. Okay, we're going to use this organic flaxseed that I have ordered some month before, as I told, from Flipkart I ordered, and this we are going to use. This is gluten free and organic. And I was telling about these 5 seeds that I ordered from online that will help for your hair growth. That is sunflower seeds, chia seeds, black sesame seeds, and flaxseed. And another one, yes, I remember, another one is pumpkin seed. So 5 seed I was not eating, but now I'm thinking I'll start eat this regularly on my hair because my hair is becoming very thin now. Okay, I'm taking 2 cups of water now. 2 cups of regular water, like this size cup. 1 cup. Then 2 cups. Then in same size cup, I'm taking half cup of flaxseed. Okay, I have taken half cup of flaxseed. Then now I am going to heat this water for some minutes for 1 minute at least. Now as water started heating, so I'll add this flaxseed in this. And you have to stir this mixture continuously. And one thing, make sure you will add only raw flaxseed, not that roasted one. The raw flaxseed you have to use for flaxseed gel making. So you have to stir continuously. It will take minimum 10-15 minutes, and it is very easy to make, and flaxseed also easily available in every place, like in online also you can order, and normal shop also you can buy. See, after some time you can see this type of foam is coming. That means our gel is ready now. But make sure you have to mix it continuously. Otherwise this flaxseed will stick with this container. And I was thinking it will take so long, like minimum 15-20 minutes maybe it will take, but it took only 5 minutes to make ready. So it is super easy to make. You can also try at your home. Okay, now we'll filter this gel. So now I'm going to use this container for store this gel, and some I'll use, and you can keep in one container and store it for future use also. So I'll take this container, and one clean cloth you take for filtering this gel, and I suggest to filter this immediately. If you will wait for cool down, then it will take a lot of pressure to मतलब उसको निकालने के लिए. So actually today's video I am making in English because I am thinking this video is like useful for everyone, not for Odia people. This is useful for everyone. So I am making this video in English. So this type of gel will come. Okay, I was trying to filtering this gel, but it is very difficult to filtering out this gel. Like when it was hot, that time I tried, but still it is like very thick. So in thin cloth also it is not coming. If you are trying this, then you just take one thin cotton cloth. I also took, but took a lot of pressure to come out. So I am going to put this directly on my hair. So for this, this type of gel will come, and I'll massage it all over my hair and scalp. Make sure you put this and massage this in each hair from tip to root. First time I'm doing this. Let's see what is the result. And after massaging this, I'll leave it for 1 hour. Then I'll do shampoo and conditioner. This is actually like a pre-shampoo treatment. This is flaxseed hair mask. So I'll show you the result after 1 hour. Okay, now I have massaged it properly, and now I'm leaving it for 1 hour. I don't know, everyone use only the gel, but I use like gel with seed. I don't know how it will come the result, but let's see, because actually it is really difficult filtering out that gel. You just try. Is there any other method to filtering this gel you can comment me. And I am taking a little bit gel on my face also. I am going to massage this gel all over my face, because flaxseed is also helps for skin tightening, and it will give, if regularly you will massage this gel on your face, then your face will start glow. I'm also trying this for the first time. We'll see what is the result. Okay, finally I have washed my hair, and it was like it is really smooth, and while washing only you can feel that smoothness, like when we'll do conditioning of hair, we'll use conditioner, that time how we feel, like that only we'll feel while washing. So it works like conditioner also, and with seed I use, so it was not that difficult to wash with seed. It was easy to wash, but the only problem is after washing your hair you have to wash your bathroom also. That I did also. So but that is okay. For good hair we have to do some hard work also. And now we'll do one thing. Let my hair dry first, then we'll see the final result. Okay, I'm ready now, and I really love this flaxseed gel treatment, and it really smoothed my hair. So you guys also try at your home, and let me know in comment section how did you like this flaxseed gel treatment. And you can apply on your face also. I also tried, and after applying the gel you just massage for 1 minute, and then after 5 minutes it became dry and it will tighten your skin. That time you can wash your face and you'll get more result. I also tried, I also like this. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.